It's an 80,000 square foot expansion to where we're sitting right now. And like I said, it'll be about 100 new jobs. So thank you guys very much. That's meaningful. We've developed some products, and it's called the Select Series. A simpler truck, more of a modular built fire truck, much faster to get to market, quite a bit lower starting point. And so we're really proud that this expansion is really to kick off our Select Series product.
Been in manufacturing about 33 years, and in that time, I have yet to see an expansion or a groundbreaking go so fast. The impact for our customer is really win-win. We sell more trucks, which is what we want to do, but more importantly, we deliver them faster so the men and women of the fire service get their rig faster and safe as possible and the best quality as possible.
Who they are in our community. They don't just come here for profit. They come and they give back and they make our community better. So they're not just a business that provides a great resource, but they are a business that also makes Ocala a better place. So thank you. Let's give them a round of applause.